Hey everybody, today we're going to be installing a full windshield on this brand new Honda Talon. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your windshield fits your machine. Then you're going to want to remove the protective film from both sides. We've already done this. So then we're going to go ahead and get our bulb seal and install it only on the lower portion of the windshield that fits the contours of the hood. Then once you get to this point here, you're going to want to cut off any excess. Install the provided foam to the cage along here. When installing the windshield, make sure that the curved portion or the air dam is facing away from the machine. You're going to want to slide it underneath the roof. Get it as center as possible. Then you're going to take your heavy-duty clamps. Then you'll want to repeat the steps for the opposite side. And that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's full windshield on this Honda Talon. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.